Today I have something that I call like an emergency dessert for you guys, which you can call a quick fix for unexpected guests. Let's see the recipe for Cookie Choco Cups. So what I need for this recipe are two sauces. One is caramel sauce and one is chocolate sauce. The best part about these sauces are you can freeze them for at least a good 2 to 3 months. Whenever you need to use them, just microwave them for at least a good 20-30 seconds and you're good to go. So let's start with making the caramel sauce first. So in a pan, I'm going to spread around 1/4 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt completely. Do not stir or do anything with it. All you can do is swirl the pan if you need to. On low heat, let it calmly, slowly melt. Make sure all the sugar crystals have nicely melted, and once that happens, you need to be a little quick. So first I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And now let's add in 1/4 cup of milk. Give it a good mix and make sure you break all the lumps. Just boil it for 1.5 minutes. And at the end, I'm going to add in a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the perfect consistency of the sauce that I need. It's going to cool down and become thick. So I'm going to turn off the flame at this point and let it cool down for at least a good 5 to 6 minutes in the pan before you remove it in a bowl. The caramel sauce is cooling down. Let's quickly make the chocolate sauce. I'm making it in a pan, but you can always microwave the 2 ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I have around 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate here. This is cooking chocolate that I've used. Into this, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of milk. Turn on the flame and stirring this slowly, let it melt. Make sure that you mix the chocolate and the milk properly. Otherwise, there are chances that the chocolate will burn. Keep stirring till it melts. Boil this for a couple of minutes. And once it reaches this consistency, you can turn off the flame. Both the sauces are ready and time to assemble this dessert now. So I have a cup over here. You can take any serving bowls or cups of your choice. And into that, I'm going to add a layer of just roughly chopped Oreos. I'm going to just break a few pieces of any sponge cake or chocolate cake, brownie, whatever you have at home or is available. Next, I'm going to top it up with some vanilla ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, your choice. Some nuts of your choice. So I have chopped almonds here and some chopped cashew nuts. And next, the best part of the recipe is pour the sauces. So I have some caramel sauce here, which is cooled down, and a nice drizzle of the chocolate sauce as well. And this cookie choco cup is ready. This is so easy to make. If you have the sauces ready, you can just buy the Oreo and the cake and you can just make it in like 5 minutes. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.